Yo, whoosh in the house. Today we're unboxing a microphone that I purchased yesterday from Amazon. It's pretty cool. It's for like podcasts and stuff. Yeah, let's open it. Got my mini scissors, they're so adorable. Love them. Okay. Gotta make sure we don't cut anything that might be important, otherwise it would be bad. Okay, it's a cute little box. Fifine technology. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly, but I'm guessing that's how it's supposed to be pronounced. Okay, there's the tape there. I don't like that tape. I don't like the circle tape, it's really weird, especially in boxes. Wow! I want to keep this box, it's really good. Okay. We got a business card type thing with stuff on it. Don't know if it's the right way, but there it is. User's guide. Don't think we need this for now. Okay. And styrofoam-like stuff. Some more styrofoam-like stuff surrounding it. Oh, it's so cool. Oh. It's awesome. So silvery feeling. It's awesome. Great thing is, it can go into my phone. Well, kinda. Oh yeah, and there's this stuff too. Got this little guy. It's foamy and adorable. Goes on this guy here, just like this, I think. I'm not really sure, but I'm guessing this is how it goes on in the microphone. Just like on TV. And here's this little stand that it comes with. So adorable. It can be in different positions as well, which is really cool. And yeah, I'm guessing it just twists on and stuff. There. Then I can adjust it like this, I think. Still don't really know how it works though, but it's pretty cool. Yeah. So I got this from Amazon. Pretty awesome already. Can't wait to try it out this Saturday when I'm gonna do my thing for my new podcast, the All Night Radio Show. It's gonna be new. It's gonna be a pilot episode that I'm gonna be recording this Saturday, and yeah. So hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a boss. Thank you and goodbye. Ow!